Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I'm Tristan, and today we're going to look at the preposition for. Now, before we start, always remember that the preposition for is always followed by a noun form. So if you use for as a preposition, it is followed by a noun. Let's look at some examples. I watch TV for relax. This is incorrect, because relax is a verb. But I watch TV for relaxation. This is correct because relaxation is a noun form. Let's look at another example. I'm learning English for have more opportunities. This is incorrect. Have is a verb. Better, I am learning English for more opportunities. Correct, because opportunities is a noun. One other example, he was awarded for help others. Incorrect. Help here is a verb. Let's change this into a noun. He was awarded for helping others. All right, so we know for as a preposition is followed by a noun form. Now, for is simple. It is easy. It is not hard because for has two main purposes. Number one, it tells us how long we do something. It does not focus on finishing. It focuses on how long we do something. Here's an example. Yesterday, I walked for 20 minutes. There, 20 minutes is how long. I walked for 20 minutes. Tonight, I will study for 2 hours. Probably not. But how long will I study? I've lived in Germany for 5 years. That's not true either, but that is correct. How long have I lived in Germany? So for tells us how long. So you've been watching this video for about 2 minutes. All right, so for amount of time. Number two, for tells us why. For gives us the purpose, the reason. I studied for the test. Why did I study? The test. The test is the reason. So I studied for 2 hours for the test. Okay? Next, I bought a gift for Steve. Why did I buy the gift? Steve. Do I know a guy named Steve? Yes, I do. He's my stepdad. Great guy. Next one. I bought a gift for my wife's birthday. Why did I buy a gift? My wife's birthday. I bought a gift. That is my action. Why? For my wife's birthday. Next, he exercises for stay healthy. Incorrect. I'm joking. This is wrong because I don't use for verb. Better, I exercise for my health. He exercises for his health. Why does he exercise? His health. Next one, he reads or she reads. Let's use a she. She reads for enjoyment. Now, one little note I want to talk about. For verb ing is probably wrong 99% of the time. Yes, verb ing is a noun. I agree. However, we only use for verb ing when the reason is in the past. For example, he was arrested. Why? For stealing. That's okay, because the stealing happened before. But if I said he was arrested for making society safer, that is incorrect because making society safer is the future goal. So he was arrested for stealing. He was arrested for a safer society. Another example where we use for verb ing, it happened in the past. So he was punished. Why? For lying, because the lying happened in the past. All right, so for is very simple. It tells us how long and it tells us why. See, prepositions are a piece of cake. All right, everyone, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.